Morning, guys. Have my morning coffee. Today's video, I am pretty excited about this video. Today's video, we are gonna be doing fried squash blossoms. I didn't even know that was a thing. So I appreciate the comment from one of the subscribers, Dawn, who's seen the garden and talked a little bit about her experiences and her having fried squash blossoms. I mean, I know certain flowers are edible. My wife actually makes these a different way, but when I found out about these, I was pretty interested and wanted to try our hand at doing it. So today, we're gonna be deep frying some squash blossoms, and we're gonna do several different ones. We're gonna actually do stuffed, because we're gonna do some stuffed jalapenos. We're gonna stuff these as well, and we'll do a few different variations of them. I have a jalapeno cheddar I'm gonna put inside, as well as some goat cheese and manchego, and try fried squash blossoms for the first time. You can see in the background, we took some of the loofah, and along with the squash blossoms, a whole bunch of the cherry tomatoes. I'll be doing a mango salsa as well. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna do this pretty fast. I got all my stuff laid out. I'm gonna get the stuffing ready, and I'm gonna do a few different variations, put them in the batter, and then we're gonna deep fry them. So what we're gonna use in the stuffing, I'm gonna do two different variations of this. Both will use, of course, the goat cheese, but one will just be with the manchego, and the other one will be with the jalapeno cheddar. If you are a Costco shopper and you love Costco, you like spicy, I absolutely love this cheese, and that's where I pick it up from. It's the habanero and jalapeno. The thing that I primarily use this in, I love to have a quick snack or a bite in the morning. I usually eat breakfast, but what we'll do is I'll take a shredder and we'll do a spin-off on a bacon and jalapeno cheddar quesadilla in the morning. And it's just simple tortilla, bacon, and shred some of the habanero cheese, and then cut it in slices, and I'll have it with my coffee in the morning. So anyways, let's get started. All right, just grating some of the manchego. We're gonna add to the goat cheese. All right, next up, we're gonna be doing the jalapeno cheddar.
Ooh, she liked that.
So we got the two different bowls. We're gonna do the manchego in one. We're gonna do the jalapeno cheddar in the other. So we're gonna take 2 eggs, one for each of the mixtures. Put that right there. I'm gonna put the jalapeno cheddar in this one. And the manchego in this one.
You like that, huh?
Egg. I'm making a little bit extra because, like I said, we're gonna do the stuffed jalapenos as well. Add some of this mixture into some of them. All right. I probably should have whipped my goat cheese before I did this, but it's all right. We'll get it nice and... I'm not using any pastry bags or anything like that. I'm just gonna put the stuffing inside, or the filling, I should say, inside these Ziploc bags, cut a hole in the corner, and use it as a bag. That way I can just throw these away when I'm done, so. That's what I love about this garbage can. Hands-free. Another Costco item. Opens and closes. All right, guys, so we got our filling all prepared. I'm about to do the stuffing. I'm gonna take each one of those and open up the flowers, get all the way down to the base. I'm gonna lay some stuffing, and then I'm gonna use the outside and just wrap it. Gonna get these guys nice and golden brown. All right, guys. I am an absolute fan of these, and not only do I really like these and enjoy these, my wife is blown away of how good these actually are. So again, thank you, Don, for the suggestion on the squash blossoms, and I will do these a few other ways and try them out and see how they go. This was amazing. While I'm waiting for my wife to come out here, she's making her coffee or doing something, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on these. Come on, baby, you want some fried squash blossoms? Oh, she wants some. She likes them too. Oh, she took it. An additional bonus, since we had all of that batter mix, we decided to go ahead and pull some okra and did some deep fried okra as well. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so that way you're alerted to the next time I upload new content, and we will see you on the next video.
Rolling, 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 rolling. Ha! Ha! Through rain and wind and weather, hell bent for leather, I waited at the end of my ride. Move 'em out, hit 'em up, move 'em out, hit 'em up. Ha!